In the late 1950s, when blindness from corneal disease was often accepted as an irreversible fate, one Sri Lankan visionary dared to imagine a different future. His name was Dr. Hudson Silva. What began as a simple yet profound idea soon evolved into a movement that would restore sight to countless people across the globe. At a time when eye donation was viewed with suspicion and cultural resistance, Dr. Silva saw an opportunity where others saw barriers. Inspired by both medical necessity and Buddhist principles of compassion and giving, he envisioned a system that would transform loss into hope. The journey was not easy.
He mobilized religious leaders, village communities, and ordinary citizens, encouraging them to pledge the gift of sight after death. Through relentless dedication, awareness campaigns, and personal conviction, he built a grassroots movement that gradually changed public attitudes. Then came the breakthrough. On Vesak Poya Day in 1964, Sri Lanka sent its first international eye donation to Singapore, marking the beginning of a remarkable humanitarian legacy. It was a small gesture with enormous significance, a gift that crossed borders and illuminated lives. As the years passed, the vision expanded. What started as eye donation grew into a broader commitment to tissue transplantation. Through legislative reforms and institutional development, Sri Lanka emerged as a global leader in corneal donations, helping restore vision to people in more than 60 countries around the world.
Behind these achievements stood a man known for his humility, discipline, and unwavering service. Dr. Silva lived the values he preached. Even after his passing, on October 2nd, 1999, he continued to give. In accordance with his lifelong beliefs, his own eyes were donated, allowing others to see through the gift he had championed for decades. Today, his legacy lives on in every restored vision, every grateful family, and every person who looks upon the world with renewed clarity. His story reminds us that true greatness is not measured by wealth or power, but by the lives we touch and the hope we leave behind. Dr. Hudson Silva did more than restore sight. He illuminated humanity itself.
And through every eye that sees because of his vision, his light continues to shine. Death is not an end. It is an enlightened beginning for another's vision. Thanks for revisiting King's Academy for more knowledge.